Real quick, for the girlies and queens who don't know, I'm still accepting hair appointments. I'm still making custom wigs. I'm still moving and shaking. You just gotta contact me and ask me, check my website out. Whoops. Let me clean this up real quick and let's keep moving. Okay, so I'm basically adding some colors so the wig can blend nicely underneath my wig cap. So here I am putting my wig on, making sure it's adjusted to my head 100%. Now I am going to customize the lace. I'm basically just cutting it, nothing too crazy, something simple. Do you see the way that the lace is like melting from the hairline already? Like, amazing. Look at the part. Like, I haven't even done much yet. So now I'm just eliminating some of the volume. I'm going to add slight layers in the front so I can have a little bit of movement once I style it. Okay, licensed cosmetologist of 12 years here, I'm adding some curls with the flat iron, getting it together, and voila. I didn't get a lot of good pictures, but this is one of them with my youngest. And then me when I was on my way to some clients. And then me when I was just chilling in the city, enjoying the last days of summer. So if you're interested in a wig or anything else, just let me know. Mwah.